Hi guys, thank you for clicking on this video tutorial on how to make a pleated face mask with sew-in polypropylene filter. The filter that I'm using for this face mask is 2 ounces of heavyweight tight filaments and fibers to add some protection. So for this project, we need a sewing machine, but you can also do it by hand sewing using the same procedure. So we need some elastics, and I was able to buy this really nice elastics online. We need 2 rectangular fabric. The width is 9 inches by 6 inches and 2 elastics at 7 inches long. Sides of the fabric together, put the polypropylene filter over and start sewing across from top to bottom. To secure elastics in place, sew across the sides, back stitching well over the elastic. Leave 2 inches of opening so the fabric can be turned inside and out. You can use pins or pattern paper to fold up the pleats on each side. You can also fold using a flat iron, and make sure the pleats are folded in the same direction. So all the way around over the pin tucks. After sewing, you can use a flat iron to remove the crease or to make it nice and flat. And guys, the pattern I'm using is based on Joann's Fabric Store's measurements, 9 by 6 inches, and also it's more or less the same procedure. We have used this same pattern and made a lot of masks that we have donated to frontliners. So guys, I hope you like this sewing tutorial. Hope that it was helpful to you, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.